Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This is my girlfriend and this is me. My name is Xander. What's your name?
Tatje.
We're gonna do a little quick POV drive with the W123 Mercedes again. This is the beautiful key with the Mercedes emblem on it. Yeah, we're gonna drive to I don't know where we will go, but I think to the supermarket or something.
Yes.
Let's go!
Let's go!
You film?
No.
Going to start the engine. It's very cold. I think around 1 degree or something.
It feels like
it feels like minus 10 or something.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ooh. Oh.
No.
I had to put a little bit more gas. Or you can turn this screw over here. That's the screw for how much, how do you say it? Gas you give to the engine. And if you press that button, then, oh no, it's that button. Yeah, then the kilometer counter goes to zero again. Yeah, but enough talking. We're gonna drive. Let's go. I'm going to do the window open a little bit for the engine sound. I think the viewers will like that. There we go. Put the blower on a little bit, so otherwise the window gets a little bit foggy. Wet. I don't know how to say it, but oh, it's a lovely diesel sound, isn't it? What are you laughing?
You said enough talking and you keep talking.
There we go, guys. It's a bit sunset right now. It's a bit cloudy, so you cannot see the sunset right now, but a sunset POV drive is always nice.
Yeah.
Also, if there is not. Also, if you can't see the sunset, it's nice.
Bro.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I'm not your bro.
Yes.
It's a beautiful day today. Oh yeah, thank you. The lights went off. Sometimes I forget to turn the lights on. That's not so nice. And if the engine is cold, it's smoking a lot. It's funny, but the cars behind me then think what's going on there. you see a big cloud of smoke behind the car. One time a friend of mine was driving behind me and he calls me up. Yeah, your car is smoking a lot. And I was. Then my answer was, yeah, that's because the engine is cold. That's all. Yeah, that's always when the engine is cold. It's smoking. An old diesel needs to warm up a bit, and then the smoke get away. Most of the time the engine is around, I think, 80 degrees or something. That's the sweet spot. Now it's, the meter shows that it's now around 40 degrees. That's that's not warm. But I think when we arrived at the supermarket, it's warm, I think. And there we are. We aren't arrived at the supermarket yet, but we are at the canal, the water here, and it's a beautiful road here. You have a little road against, yeah. Here on the left you have a giant lake, and this is holding the lake against, so that it's
protecting
the land.
Protecting the land from the water.
Yes. In the Netherlands, the country where I live, they have a lot of those hills to protect the land from the water, so that it's not, that there not will be a tsunami or something going over here. Then we can't drive the beautiful W123 Mercedes, so that would not be so nice, I think. We have a lot of wind noise. Now you don't hear it a lot, but if I drive on the highway, then you hear it a lot. I think I have to replace the how do I say it? The window gaskets, or how you call it, so that the wind noise is going away. But now it's okay. But if you drive on the highway, like I said, it's a lot noisier. Oh, the headlight of the car was a little bit bad. I think the headlights of the W123 are pretty good. If I put it on the big mode, I don't know how to call it, but if I put it like this, I can see a lot. Now I'm blinding the cars before driving against me, but yeah, you can see a lot in the dark. And also with the fog lights is then you see a little bit a wider view. That's pretty handy, I think. Nice. The police didn't pull me over.
Dat was Rijkswaterstaat.
That wasn't police. That was Rijkswaterstaat. I don't know how to call it.
It's for water.
Yeah, it's for building these dikes, for building these hills. Yeah. Yeah, I think we can go a little bit through this town. This is a beautiful town called Hindeloopen in the Netherlands. Yeah, in English you say Hindeloopen, but in Netherlands it's just Hindeloopen. Or if you call it in Frisian, it's Hilpen. But here in the Netherlands you have two languages, which is Frisian and Dutch. And we're now in Friesland. We're now in Friesland. Frisia. I don't know how to call it in English, but here you say Hilpen, and you have other names for the cities and the villages. Oh, it's so nice. Here you can feel it. The heat of the heater is very good in the W123 Mercedes. It's almost too good. It's almost sometimes it's almost a sauna. It's so hot, but then you have the airco also. I don't know if this is airco, but if you put it like this, then you have fresh air blowing in. That's nice. Or you put the sunroof open.
You have to tell what you did when it was snowing.
Oh.
And you were very hot.
Oh no. That was not nice. Yeah, it was snowing a few weeks ago, and it was so hot. So I thought, yeah, let's put the sunroof open. Okay, and then it was like, boom! All the snow that was laying on the roof, that was falling on me. It was so bad.
And I had
everything
nothing.
was wet. Yeah.
Nothing was here.
Yeah, all over me. The snow literally fell down, so like this, whoop. And yeah, that was not nice. But I've learned from it, and I will not do that another time, I think. Let's just end the ride here. Let's just park the car here on a beautiful spot. This is almost my favorite spot of where I live. It's, yeah, I like the water, I like the view. There you can see I can drive like this. There you can see the lake where I've talked about earlier this video. This giant lake, yeah, you can't see it that good, but I think I'm going to park here on this beautiful spot with a beautiful view. Let the engine running. Yeah, let the engine running. So there we are. I hope you liked this video, and like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.